We're going to do like 2 seconds of lecture on the easy version of how to measure the heights of stuff. Cool? So the point of this is that you can tell the tree service how tall the tree in your yard is without guessing at random. Cool? This gets used for a lot of stuff, but this is maybe a good application, right? I obviously am not going to climb the big oak tree that I want cut down in my yard, right? Because I want it cut down because it's dead. Right. So I'm not climbing it. So here's my tree, right?
Okay.
Yes?
I guess.
Everybody agrees that trees only grow in perfectly flat ground and they grow directly out of it, right?
Yep.
Okay, good.
The trees work.
So there's a right angle here and the ground's there. And the height I'm interested in, right, is this thing here. Yes? Cool?
Yep.
Okay, so I have two tools, which I don't have up here. I have a protractor and a tape measure. This is all you need for this. So, what you need to do is you need to make yourself a triangle in the world. So you want to measure from the base of the tree out a ways, right? I'm going to call this distance K.
Okay.
Why would I call this distance K?
Because it's how many kilometers that tree.
No, because it's the distance I know.
No.
Yeah, crazy, right? Okay, I'm going to go out that distance, and I'm going to what? Yeah, I need to make a triangle, right? And it should be a right triangle, because that's the trigonometry I know right now. Yes? Okay, so got a right angle here. I'm going to measure some angle here. I call that angle theta. Really, I should call it kappa or something, because I know that one too, right? You guys see that? On this picture, it maybe would occur to you that if you knew this distance, right, you could use the Pythagorean theorem to calculate this height of this tree, right? Is this distance any easier to obtain in reality than this one?
Actually, a little harder.
No, in fact, harder, right? Because not only do you have to climb the tree, you have to get a string woven through the branches and a buddy standing out there to measure how long it is. Yeah, you guys see that? That is worse, not better. Cool? But if I know that angle and I know this distance, what can I do with this thing?
You can relate it to the 90-degree episode.
Tangent.
Oh, right? You guys see that? This is this side here, this K side. That's the adjacent side, right? To what?
To the angle.
To the angle I know, right? To theta, right? And then this side that I want to know about is opposite of theta, right? I should probably give that thing a name. What are you going to call that thing? T. For what? Tree? Okay, I'll buy T for tree. That works. All right, so what's the relationship you're going to use for this? You use tangent, right? You guys all said that? So tangent, what?
Opposite over adjacent.
Okay, tangent, wait, I need to feed something to tangent, right? Tangent's a function, right? It takes angles and it outputs a ratio of side lengths, right? So the tangent is the opposite over the adjacent, right? Yeah, from the TOA line of SOHCAHTOA. So that's T divided by K. And now we've reduced what was a trig problem into a algebra 1 problem and a calculator problem. You guys see that? So it's a calculator problem because I'm going to know this number, right? I'm going to put that number in. I'm going to make sure that my calculator's in a reasonable mode, right? And then I'm going to hit the tangent button. Good question. So do you have to be in radians or degrees for this? It doesn't matter, but whatever mode your calculator's in has to agree with whatever mode you measured the angle in. You guys see that? But you get to pick. And this is kind of a cool thing about this function. I'm really never going to write tangent sub degrees here or tangent sub radians. I'm just going to assume that you guys know to make the angle measure agree with the tangent mode. You guys cool with that? So just make sure your calculator and your work agree. So that's going to be a number. And then on this side, what am I going to have? So like right now, I'm kind of looking at this problem, I'm thinking, I have number equals, I'm going to have a ratio, a t, a thing I don't know, right? Divided by, do I know k?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's going to be another number. And then I hope you guys can figure out how to solve this. Right, you should maybe multiply both sides by something or whatever. Cool? I'm not going to give you too much hint on that, so sort that out. What is there's one little important thing. When you get a number out of this, what are the units on that number going to be? Good, they're going to be whatever units you took the other measurement in. You guys see that? The tangent function doesn't care how you measured anything except the angle, right? Because it's a ratio, right? It's unit free. It doesn't come with units of feet or meters or something. It gets the units from your measurement here. You guys cool with that? All right.